Oh god. This feels weird. Do you know why I got... Well, hi Scratch.
I haven't been on that beach for ages.
Hey Scratch.
What?
One, where's King and two? Why am I recording? It's normally Kinger.
Is Kinga here, you idiot?
I don't know, but it's not. I normally don't record. Oh, wait, can I still do my
No.
ears? I can still do my ears. How's that?
Well, Jax.
Is
Jax.
that...
We are.
Am I hallucinating?
Is that...
That's Pomni.
She
Not from our universe.
She up.
I think I'm hallucinating. I'm like half asleep right now. What?
We haven't been to a beach for ages. Let's have fun.
I'm gonna go ahead.
But I like spinning my ears. So you're Pomni, right? You don't like talking.
I can.
Why are you choosing that too? I guess you wanna ride with me, or wanna talk about your universe? My universe? Come on then. Whee! And jet skis. I want a matchy. How do you ride this? So, I am Jax from King's Universe. What?
I'm kinda in the jet ski, but underneath.
Yeah, it's fine. So,
No, it's not.
you want me to dock again for you, or?
I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's kind of close.
Maybe, I may look like a smarty because I am smart. Just ignore how my ears are. I like doing this with my ears.
Everyone in the King's universe is smart.
Also, do you like how my ears are? I like doing this, don't I, Scratch?
You look stupid.
Do you like how I do it with my ears?
Cool.
Want me to... So how's your Jax? Is he nice?
Sometimes.
What do you mean sometimes? I'm always nice, mate. Want me to tell you about my circus, I guess? Like, not mine, you know, the one I'm in. Well, I am from King Wardens. Another word, King for your word. My Pomni. Well, when I say mine, my rival, abstracted. It was you and Queenie's alive, I think. So basically, me and Ribbit's Dean. That shocks you, doesn't it? Oh, also we're married. Yeah. Kinga just lets us do what we want. For example, I seen a rift, me and Scratch was sitting in his room watching TV. And, you know. Paul, we jumped through, so I was Kinga's, you know. We're a bit stupid when we want to. Isn't that right, Scratch?
Jax. What?
That we were watching TV and then Rift opened.
It always happens. King had told me to keep you safe. Owen,
Why me?
because you dumb. The dumbest out of all of us.
At least I'm married. You can tell I'm the youngest, can't you?
Fortunately.
Do you wish I was more like your Jax?
No.
Do you wish your Jax was more like me, the crazy one? You should see the stuff I do. I can say if King can take
Might
you.
explore the island soon.
What?
Might explore the island soon.
This is what I do, by the way, with me, is I just spin them and I do this weird pattern. Should we escape from scratch?
Perhaps.
I know a route. I've been in this, well, I found the map for this a while ago. He's following us, isn't he?
I don't know.
Wanna climb the ladder? We don't. Gotta escape him first. When we go back around, quickly get on the ladder. No! I'm bad at driving, sorry. Sorry, I'm not the best. We don't really do this, we do more like zombie apocalypse, we did a zombie map, like world, we did a courtroom, we did for you actually. Well, our king is a bit more on the evil side. Do you know what he can do? He does this to me, you ready? He strips me alive. Not fun. There you go. You want to talk about your circus or? What? Why not?
It's a mess.
Is it? Guess what? Come here. No. Oh, she left me. Oh, she left me.
Scratch is down there.
What?
Scratch is down there, he crashed.
I'm a bit weird. If you don't mind, can I quickly go over that and change my outfit? I wish we could run a bit more faster, faster. Upstairs. I just do it. It's fine. I'm a buddy. Everyone's seen something of me. Nope.
Oh, hi, Josh.
Huh.
What's up with you and that Pomni? Looks like you're trying to guess.
Just exploring, I guess.
Really? You said the same with British.
Well, I'm married to Ribbit, so I'm not going to cheat on her.
Alright.
Hmm?
Sit.
Oh, hi, Gangle. Are you our Gangle or?
Probably not.
Are you from the King Warden or?
I don't even know anyone.
Do you have a key in or not?
May or may not have crashed.
Depends.
Is your Keen alive?
In a way.
So in reality, you two are from the same, so it's 2-2.
We have
Hey,
like
Scratch, you
3
know it's funny that they
teams.
have the
Yeah.
full crew that's alive.
Fine.
And we have
Cool.
3 ringmasters.
But
I don't know anymore.
Ribbit's dead for them.
Yeah.
They're Ribbit, Queenie.
Nominee, Bubble, Other Bubble.
You tell me
Queenie's
whoever's
dead.
alive
not.
in our
I don't
dimension,
know
like
anymore.
who's alive in our
I
dimension's
think we
dead
have
for them.
6.
Yeah.
We have 6 ringmasters.
Well, is there a scratch in their dimension?
Probably. I
Yeah,
don't know,
except from us, except from
No, 7.
me. Oh,
We
we
have 7
don't have
ringmasters.
we don't have any ringmasters
Where's the
except
7
for
from?
Kinga, who we call
Yeah.
Dead Warden. No, it's not Dead Warden.
And
It's
kinda
he's called
dictator.
King Warden.
Dictator what? No, I don't know. I don't remember
He's
his name.
really human and robot.
Angle.
I'm gonna say it now, right? He's obviously a human, probably, so I don't know.
That Jax is evil this year.
There, Jax is evil, and you're stupid.
Yeah.
Even though everyone in our universe is pretty smart, you're stupid.
Yeah, it's because I'm a glitch,
Is it-
remember? I was supposed to die.
Yeah, but no, you end up marrying Ribbit, and Ribbit somehow saved you. Fuck him.
I might have a kid.
What? What? What?
Yeah, we went to the courtroom and then we had a kid straight after. That'd be funny. We used
did you
to
end up
like
doing?
we used to beach adventures. We do murder adventures and courtrooms and killing.
We've done a court one about a few times.
Did you do it where you can die in it and you can feel real pain and you actually black out and you can get stuff and go in a fiery pit?
You can die in yours?
Yep.
Yes.
No,
No abstractions, death. Pomni was an idiot and killed herself after 2 minutes of entering.
We can't die in ours.
Can we
You
join
can,
theirs?
you just haven't yet.
Can we join theirs? Just
No,
for like
we
a day.
can't.
Just for a day to see what theirs is like.
It's not really a good it's not really a good thing. Like
Have you ever heard of the word corruption?
King has put a thing on
Dude.
me, by the way, where I can't corrupt in different dimensions.
he's smarter than you.
Oh yeah. We'll
He's
try.
smarter than you.
I'm gonna try. Like, I got a portal, dawned.
Oh.
Got a portal.
What?
Yeah, my wife kind of died like a long time ago.
Yeah, his.
I was in the world
Like
me
you
one.
have one.
I did.
If I'm right, it was from who? Pomni, kinda frustrated her. Half our
Shut up.
circus, half our circus corrupted for Pomni, wasn't it?
Yeah, when Pomni came, it kind of ruined everything.
Yeah, that's why we killed her. Well, she killed herself, but you know.
Yeah,
We were trying to kill her.
holy
she ended up
lord.
doing it.
Yeah, she
okay,
killed herself
Jesus.
instead.
Made it easier.
Yeah,
Maybe
boy
it's
is,
not a
yeah.
good idea to
So
do that.
what about evil thorns and stuff? Do they just stay?
Who? Evil. All the evil
Oh, that's
AIs.
where you are.
Oh,
Do
evil
you get
Pomni,
evil?
she's-
Do you get evil forms?
Yeah.
Why
We
does
do
the
as
only
well,
things
you
that's
idiots.
in the circus? What?
I can turn into
We do
evil
as
when I
well.
want us
Do
to.
you know, like, the extremely dumb ones that come to our circus sometimes? The one that don't know how to solve simple things.
Oh,
turn into
they're
the evil one?
evil versions. Ah, I thought they were just experiments.
No.
They're just the opposite of us. What is wrong with her?
This is why no one likes
What is
Pomni.
wrong with that circus?
I don't
Exactly.
even.
So you are called the F.R.A.M Circus, right? So this is your pole. to your world, right there.
How do you have that? Just a real question.
I go to different dimensions as it is.
It's kind of dumb, but he can also just travel any way he wants. But,
Oh, I
yeah.
can break the fourth wall. Hi guys.
Are we going?
We're just
What
making
are you
random
looking at?
lore up. What?
What are you looking at?
What are you talking to?
I'm looking like Potter.
There's nothing.
God.
Oh my
Why are
god,
you
he's
blue?
stupid.
Why am I blue? I'm purple.
Blue?
It's just a light.
Look a little blue.
She's
I'm not
not
looking at
blue.
you.
Who's blue?
He's saying you're
Mike
blue,
just-
but you're not. It's
She
the
does
light.
seem
blue.
blue. She does actually seem like a tint of blue.
It's
Thank you.
the
Why am I blue?
lighting.
No, I'm blue.
Well, there's a
I
portal.
am
Just so
white.
summon the portal.
I'm the same colour as her.
There we go.
No,
I
you're
was
not.
clicking.
Actually is.
So that is the F.R.A.M.
So you-
Circus, correct? Yeah. Off we go.
Oh, man.
So this is what the circus is supposed to look like when it's not corrupted.
Yeah, I think so.
I guess.
Yeah. What happened to her?
I don't know.
Don't ask, I haven't.
Can we
It's
maybe explore your circus just so we maybe know how to
Yeah,
repair
well.
ours?
Do what you want.
Go over and take the energy rings.
What?
Scratch, we need to get the energy rings.
Why?
So, because the energy rings hold data and the data can maybe repair us. Oh my god.
Right. This is
Ours is way different.
corruption, like I said.
Yeah, I was only corrupted from bloody what's her name? It doesn't work. I heard one of them talking about it.
Yeah, I know, but it might have like useful information.
It doesn't. It's just fake. That Kane made.
Kane. Oh yeah, there, ringmaster.
Where
Right.
Kane's office is normally in a blimp.
Is that? Wait.
Is that King is
Yeah.
10? Their kingdom must be very smart.
I wouldn't
Leave
touch
the
that. I
computer.
wouldn't touch that computer. I wouldn't touch
Why?
it.
Leave it.
Because it leads so much.
Are you
Don't
blind?
touch
Are you blind? You know it says corruption data.
it.
Idiot.
Just leave it alone. No.
Please.
Speaking of the devil, where is their king?
He's
On
not
an
here at the
adventure.
moment.
Well, to be fair, we don't have a Kane, so I'm gonna see what's in his office.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Fair enough. Wait, how do you have access to his office?
How do you open the door?
Quite easy to get into.
Oh. What happened in here?
Looks like something. What the hell's this?
What's what? Hey, Scratch! Scratch, I found something.
What?
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
What the hell? Okay, I get it.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? What if I just...
That's definitely a secret door.
Yeah? Quick, 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 quick! Quick.
Hey.
Quick! They found us!
I'm going.
Oh my god, I forgot how... Why does doors... Whoa. We know this
The
is
red
fake.
dot will close
We know this is fake.
Jason's house.
Does Kane really have that bad of a sense of humour?
No. And then
That's bubble.
You tell me Kian's sense of humor is so bad.
Jocks.
What?
Oh, yeah,
Who?
that's one of them.
Who's that?
That's one of our
Who is
that's one of our
that?
ringmasters.
It looks like Pomni, but
It looks like
in a
Croc.
ringmaster stuff.
It looks like Crocky. Just
Who?
Lord Scratch! Fell a little bit. Ow.
You idiots.
Ow.
Get up, man.
Ow. It hurts. What? Ah! I don't know where I'm going. This is
That
new.
hurt. Oh my god, that hurt so much.
Ow.
Oh.
Scratch. The dumb,
I'm really
remember?
making fun of you now
The
today.
dumb.
Not that
No,
dumb.
they're not.
No, this is not as dumb as we
What if I
thought.
just
Wait.
hit you there?
No, no, no,
We
no,
are
no.
smarter than them.
Hold on.
What?
So stand here.
Where?
What you doing to us?
I've never seen a small person in my bloody life. Except from Pomni. Pomni.
I know.
Right, I'm hitting it.
Yeah, we don't feel P in there, by the way. Just gonna tell you that one. That's the
Uh,
one place we do not feel P in.
Oh,
Oh,
have that.
we need that actually. Our circus doesn't. Our circus ran out of that.
I'm definitely telling her about this.
What?
Tell me about what?
Yeah, I might and all actually.
What
You know
you've
what? I'm gonna
just
make you
done.
have a TV head.
Wait, I thought you
You're here.
abstracted.
Wait.
No, not in our reality.
Me.
We can die.
Alright, give us it.
We don't abstract, we die.
That sucks.
It does. Imagine
Yeah,
imagine
isn't it?
getting chased by zombies and you get 3 lives. When you waste 3 lives, you die.
Should I just teleport you back to your circus?
No, 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 no. That's a really bad muggy. Oh, mirror. Never knew they were still a thing. So you still...
Never knew mirror.
Scratch, look, it's a mirror!
Why are you so impressed
it-
by a mirror?
Will it already have a mirror in the office?
Oh, hi, mate. Oh, hi, guys. Look where I am in
What
the
are you?
girliest room in the universe.
Yeah, which is technically yours.
Yes, I know,
Not
I can see from the
technically.
muggy. So,
Technically,
guys...
they're the same person in a way.
It is your.
Who
it
is this?
his,
Who's
not
like-
I'll
technically-
grab you by the
it is-
lead.
Guys, is this person
then.
really that
Pretty
small?
sure- What?
What do the viewers want to know?
Messed up with my hat.
Should we come here more often, or should we come with where that midget is? Because she's very small.
So she's messed up my hat.
She?
Yeah.
She.
That's a dude!
Too bad. It looks like a girl.
Be fair, we did think it
I
was a
wanna
girl
go
at
home.
first.
Oh, nice one.
It is true!
It does look one, and sounds one.
Hey, no it doesn't.
I want to go back to work.
Come
Can't
here.
fix it.
Alright, my bad, up.
I got the portal to go
I'm looking
home.
off this.
Yes, thank you. Let's go.
She might know where our circus is if we spawn it.
Just do it.
There it is.
It's not a circus again.
Well, it is. It's just a very. It's
No.
part. Well, if you're talking
You don't
about our
take
original
pictures of that.
place, that is our original place.
Yeah. Well, bye bye.
Bye.
Be gone.
Bye. Tell Jack said. That's all, freaks.